What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mark here with another video. This one is not actually a funny video anyway. It's a very disturbing story. Like I came across this content about days ago online, and it was very, very disturbing. This veteran Nollywood actor, most of us will know him, called Aguba, Kenneth Aguba, has been homeless for some days now, and a picture of him showed up online I think some days ago, where he was spotted sleeping by the roadside with everything, all of his things outside. And the founder of Omega Power Ministry, a church in Port Harcourt, actually sought for him and found him, get him a better apartment, take him off the street, get him a better apartment, check his health status, and do a thorough cleaning of him. He was so happy and shared some of the beautiful story. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment in the comment section.
And he is here. Send in likes and share the live. Thank you so much. Send in likes and share the live. Thank you so much. We're here at the free hospital.
Actor, they are taking you in the house. I want you to, I can run some tests on them. There are things that need to refer. To go close. To refer immediately and remove the people. So now, go and run them every test.
They're going to be running tests on him. So sorry, sir. So sorry, sir. So sorry. Send in likes and share the live. So they're going to carry out his medicals right now to ensure that he's in good health, and if there's any issues, it'll be tackled urgently.
So what is your name?
Kenneth.
Kenneth.
Cubana.
Kenneth
Cubana.
Cubana.
This is one of the opium-free hospitals in Port Harcourt. As you can see, just take a look around. The place is fully equipped. It is fully equipped. And all the rooms are in suites. They are in suites, not general wards. So it's being taken care of, carrying out his checkup.
Can you release your bag? Your bag.
Send in likes and share the live. Thank you so much. Send in likes and share the live. Thank you so much.
Scientists.
Send in likes and share the live. Here with us is the veteran Nigerian actor, Mr. Kenneth Aguba, who was recently found homeless. But God has found him. Grace has found him. Apostle Chibuzor has brought him to Port Harcourt. He has given him a house. Now he has taken him to one of the opium-free specialist hospitals for medical checkup.
Hello?
The change has begun. The positive change has begun. Spread the good news. Share the live. Send in likes. Thank you so much. The change has begun. checked. Other procedures are going to be carried out, so just stick with us, spread the good news. Thank you very much.
Okay, it's I'll take you to the lab. Can you walk up? Lab. Lab. We'll take plus this one. Can you walk up? Tell him. Tell him.
This is the laboratory and the opium-free specialist hospital. As you can see, the place is well equipped. They have all the machines needed in the laboratory. Here's a water bath. And other things. So here is him. They're taking a sample to carry out more tests. Send in likes and share the live. Thank you so much.
Sorry. Eh. Sugar is low. There's very low. It's low. 4.6 per random. It's low. Extremely. Yes. It's low. He needs to eat. He needs to eat. Tomorrow is when you're going to see God.
He's going to the bathroom.
From what she said.
Alright, stick with us for more progress on this story. We're going to witness his glorious